Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to change car intelligent scenario. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Now go to menu, go to car settings, ambient light and intelligent scenario. Select it from the list. You can select relax, meditative, warm, fresh, cool or custom. In custom, you can adjust ambient light, air conditioner, music, voice and chair setting. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.